Keep in mind what works for one may not work for another. I use my elderberry spray mostly for irritation in the mouth or throat. If I get a canker sore, bite my lip, denture irritation, I spray at bedtime and a few times during the day, and this quickly handles the problem. Being a dark berry, it's also great as an antioxidant for total well-being. I have found it also seems to shorten any sore throat from cold or cough. My medicine, herb cabinet is never without this little wonder herb. After getting the flu twice this winter, I decided to take more things for my immune system. A couple of times recently my throat started feeling scratchy, so I sprayed it on the back of my throat. It was soothing and the taste is great. It seemed to last for quite a while and my throat didn't get worse. Nice taste and keeps me feeling good. Despite everyone, husband and coworkers, getting sick around me, I have not been sick. Great product. I use this at bedtime. I think it keeps my allergies from being a problem at night. I get this for my grandmother and it seriously boosts her immune system. Arrived quickly, and in shrink wrap. Good stuff. I am one to generally be sick every winter, with many colds and sore throats. Since taking this spray twice a day every day, I have never felt better. I am not even kidding, truly a miracle in a bottle for me. I think I have found something so powerful, my body is grateful. Update. After taking this product for a full year now, every day 2 sprays twice a day, I have truly never felt better. I have had 2 colds in the last year, well, flu really, both were durations of just 1 day. We are talking body aches, runny nose, sore throats, fevers. Over in 1 day. I bought this last year during flu season and restocked this year even though I still had quarter a bottle left. The whole family uses it. 2 sprays into the back of your throat and you're good to go. We use it when we feel the slightest bit of a cold and swear by it. The taste isn't for everyone. It reminds me of a sickly sweet wine. Excellent immune system booster and helps kill the longevity of the flu and common cold. Also worth mentioning, it comes in a heavy glass bottle which I love. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.